My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much and welcome back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscription button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, I apologize that I'm behind a little bit. Got to take care of home, and my sidekick had to take her to the hospital, but she's doing good, and love you, girl. So we are going to unbox our December Boxycharm. I'm not sure which box this is yet. I have this one and I have that one. So, you know, you only find out when you open it because they're about the same size. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and see which one it is. Okay. Oh, it's premium because it's blue, and we all know that it is blue means premium. Okay, and our theme for this month is bows and glitz, and we're just going to jump right in and check out everything that's in this box. For those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, all the information is listed down below. So the first item, I'm just going to take what's on the top of the box and we'll go from there. So the first item that I pull out is by Elemis, and this is the Peptide Plumping Pillow Facial. Say that 3 times fast. This super cooling gel mask glides onto the skin, creating a biomimetic, okay, that is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving skin looking younger and feeling plumped with moisture upon waking. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one, $65. Now, we all know Elemis products are quite expensive, but they are amazing. So this is what the product itself looks like. Beautiful packaging, of course. Love that blue. And always safety seal, looking out for us first, especially during COVID. Not only is the container blue, but so is the product. Nice. So let's just put a little on, see what that's like. And as you know, you won't get the full effect of it because it's a nighttime, overnight product. Okay, and it says hydrating sleeping mask. As with all of their products, they feel fantastic and they always leave the skin feeling great. So that is item number 1. The next one I have is, oh, okay. This is by Fenty Beauty, and this is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. High octane pigment meets unexpectedly universal shades to complement all moods and all skin tones. An ultra slim lipstick with a long wearing soft matte finish in weightless color intense shades, each designed to flatter all skin tones. They did say that, so maybe it's pretty good. All right, and the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one is $18, and the shade I have, is called Candy Venom. I love their little tubes. Her packaging is always beautiful. This is bright. I know they claim it complements all skin tones. I think my daughter's going to end up with this one. Maybe not. Look at that. Maybe with a really nice liner, I might be able to wear that. But we'll see. We shall see. Okay, and that is item number 2. Then moving right along, this one is the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara by Elizabeth Mott. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before, but that doesn't mean anything. And it says, the volumizing mascara of your dreams. This mega volume long lash max curl mascara lasts all day with no smudge. It features flexible tubing polymers that coat each lash, making it water, tear, and sweat resistant to hold lashes in place all day. That is pretty interesting. That is pretty interesting. Now, y'all know I don't open mascaras until I'm ready to use them because they do have a shelf life. However, this packaging says the hourglass brush shape helps define, separate, and lift your lashes, providing the most intense lash volume that you've ever experienced. These are some big claims, y'all. Okay, we'll see. It says, it's a secret, a unique formula that lengthens and curls your lashes without smudging. Okay. I really want to open this because I really want to try this because I'm listening to these claims and y'all know I am not a lash wearer. I am going to try the magnetic lashes at some point, but y'all know my situation. If not, I'll link it up here, but we'll see. We'll see. Would you at least like to see what the packaging looks like? Just standard mascara packaging. Okay. Then the next item we have, my husband's gonna talk about me bad, but he's gonna be okay. This one is the Crown All Eyes on You 5-piece Luxe brush set. And this one says, this 5-piece brush set provides all the necessary tools for the application of all eye makeup looks. The luxurious silky brushes deliver optimum and even coverage for a perfect finish every time, adding depth and definition to your look. And the manufacturer suggested retail price of this one is $34.95. Okay, now this says this set includes, let's see, no, they do not have the names on the brush themselves. I don't have Crown eye brush. I don't think I have Crown eyeshadow brushes. These are nice. It's like a rose gold color ferrule and white handles, which I do not understand if you get makeup all over your hands or whatever, they're going to mess up your brushes. But nonetheless, so we have the deluxe eyeshadow brush, the blending crease brush, the chisel shader brush, the precise detail crease brush, and the chisel shadow base brush. It can be used with liquid, powder, and cream products is what the box says. Nice. And they are 100% vegan. Okay, here we go. All right. At some point, I know I'm going to have to start giving away brushes, but I have a surprise coming up later on in the month. Next thing that I have is, this is my choice item, okay? And this is the Viseart Neutral Matte 12 pan eyeshadow palette, a palette that embodies 12 matte shades, ideal for accenting, sculpting, and creating striking reflective beauty. This sumptuous shadow collection descends from the iconic 01 neutral matte palette and is inspired by the concept of milieu centeredness in your environment. Add depth, dimension, and intensity to any look. This luxurious assortment of neutral hues from pale chiffon to warm cacao and fuchsia dahlia that complement all skin tones beautifully. Okay, manufacturer suggested retail price for this right here is $80. I know y'all hear my husband in the background. Oh, but these are so pretty. Look at that. And I made sure I turned the lights down just right so you could get a full-on look at these shades. How about we swatch a couple? Let's go. Oh, it has a brown and a very rich burgundy. And let's do the blue. Wow. Okay. Let's do, we'll do a light one and we'll do a brown. This, look at this pigment. Okay, I am excited to do this month's Create video. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Okay. All right, here we go. All righty. Yes, we will do. I can't remember the last time I did an all matte look, but I'm excited to do that. So this is the Viseart palette. Professional makeup. And this one is 0.20, I'm sorry. Yes, 0.24 grams. All right, and then the last, this packaging is gorgeous. But, okay, let me make sure I get all the shadow off my hands so I don't mess up my palette cover. Okay, the last item in the box is the, okay, how about, I don't even have the product that is listed here. I'm supposed to have a Kosas 10-second eyeshadow, which I do not have. But I do have the True and Luscious Lucky Glow Bronze and Highlight palette. Look at the iridescent palette cover. Okay, now, wow. Wow. That's pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, let's see what I can find out about it because I don't have any information. Now, I must admit, I love orange blushes. This is beautiful right here. And this marbled highlight, which is called 777s. This one is Pots of Gold. This one is a contour, I believe. Now, it's supposed to be a bronzer. This is not going to bronze anything on me. And this is called Serendipity. This may very well have to go in a giveaway because I can't do anything with shades like this other than this right here. But I don't want to just take it just for that one. So trust me, I have plenty of blushes. So I'm gathering this will go into an upcoming giveaway. So we're not going to swatch anything. We're just going to put it away. But I will let you know what the manufacturer suggested retail price of this one is. And I will be contacting Boxycharm. So these are the items that are included in this month's Boxycharm Premium. Down below are the manufacturer suggested retail prices of all the items that are enclosed. Okay, now I do thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.